Hey, beautiful people, this is totally unscripted and off the record, right? If anyone had told me 6 months ago that I would be using AI the way that I'm using it now, I would have told them that they were actually crazy. Guys, if you are an email marketer, if you are an affiliate marketer, if you are an entrepreneur of any stripe, you guys you just gotta check out my new free video crash course, guys. Okay. I was so super pumped and super excited about it. You guys are gonna get to see how I'm starting to take simple images, and taking simple prompts from places like ChatGPT, guys, and creating stunning scroll stopping videos, guys. I mean, it's really got me super pumped and super excited. So no matter what it is you are finding this guys, if you're on Facebook, if you're on YouTube, if you're on TikTok, and you want to learn more about the free AI video imaging and social media crash course, guys, you need to pick it up. Okay, I mean, like yesterday. Okay, you guys are ready? Okay, beam us up, Scotty.
Welcome to the future of possibilities.